Now you can evaluate employees using 360-degree feedback review in iSpring Learn. You can create a questionnaire and send it out to the people your employee works with. iSpring Learn will analyze the responses and generate a report. Based on the feedback, you can determine the strengths and weaknesses of the employee as well as assess the competence and suitability for their position. Let's take a look at how to evaluate your employees step by step. Along the side menu, you will see a new section, Performance Appraisal. The first thing you need to decide is how you want to evaluate your employees. To do this, you will need to create a rating scale by choosing New Scale. You can name your scale up here. You can add different levels of proficiency down here, and assign points for each level to the right. You can decide how many levels to add, but there should be at least 2 of them. When you're done, select Create and your new rating scale is ready. Move on to the competencies. For each job position, there should be a set of knowledge, skills, and abilities that an employee needs to do their job. These are competencies. Define key competencies for your employees and add them in this section. When creating a new competency, provide a name and describe what it means. Similar competencies can be combined into groups. Select the rating scale below. Here you can select if you want the competency rated based on levels or indicators. Now click Create. Great! You can add further details here and describe each level. Let's hop back to look at competency profiles. Here's where you can outline each position's own set of competencies by creating a new profile. I'll add a new profile for the sales manager and select the competencies for them from the list. Now select the required skill level here. Okay, everything's ready, so we can jump back to start the review. Go ahead and select Performance Reviews. Let's create a review where you can select participants. Provide a name and a description if you like. If the review is conducted by your colleague, grant them the specific rights to run a review in the user management. Okay, go ahead and choose Create. Now you can add detailed instructions. Describe everything important for the review, goals, deadlines, anonymity of responses. Then select a competency profile. We will use the sales manager profile we just created. Down here, you can add open-ended questions to get detailed feedback on the employee. Alright, the questionnaire is ready. Click Preview Questionnaire to see what it looks like. It's looking good. Let's go back so we can choose the users who will evaluate. Go to the Employees tab and select Add Participants. You can find an employee by name, evaluate an entire department, or for example, select people by job title. Then choose Next. Here, we can choose who will perform the review. If feedback is given from all sides, that is, the manager, peers, direct reports, and the employees themselves, then this method is called 360-degree feedback. Now choose the users who will evaluate. At the third step, we'll check the result, then choose Add. Click Start Review to start the survey. Now everyone you have chosen will be sent notifications and a link to the questionnaire. They will fill out the form and you can follow the progress of the survey up here. It's time to view the results. You can see the individual employee report. It includes the employee's evaluation by competency and comments given by colleagues. In the analytical block, you can find the employee development zones, weaknesses, and hidden spots. In addition, iSpring Learn generates a summary report for all review participants. Switch to Review Results to see the big picture for all review participants. Now you can manage employee performance with a 360-degree feedback review using iSpring Learn.